tree here. It's not bad under the tree. Oh yeah. That's a nice one too. Showing some of that action. Keep him up here. Oh yeah, let's get him low. Oh yeah. That's a pretty nice, decent one. Oh, he bit my finger. Look at that. Let's get a release on him. There he goes. Smoked him in the rain. Told you I never miss a fish on this wall. Trying to stay under the trees as much as I can to stay dry. Oh yeah, got another one. Oh, that one feels really nice. Oh yeah, dude, that's a chunky guy. Back-to-back cast. Oh. Look at that, hook fell right out. Back-to-back cast. Get him back in the water here. Got some little pond chunkers. The spinner's putting in some good work. Oh, another one. 3 casts in a row. This one's smaller, but still a small, chunky guy. No! Oh, fell right off the hook. Hold on. Open your mouth. Oh, come on, no. My pole's caught in the tree. Smaller chunker. Look at that. Nice fish. Let's get him released. My lure's stuck up in the tree. There we go. That rain had him fired.